Today in this video, we are going to show you how to fix your Vizio TV if it doesn't have a picture but it still has a sound. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient, here wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If not clear the problem, let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Look backside on your TV. You want to make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into the backside of the connector. A Fire Stick or Roku and it has a direct connection or has a very short cable, again check that as well. If not clear your problem, just move the HDMI connection to another port. Most TVs have at least 2 and sometimes 3 or 4 of these ports. If not clear the problem, let's go on to the next step. Method 3. This is the last thing. Usually we'll do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. Press the menu button on your remote. Go to System. Go to Reset and Admin. Reset to Fact Defaults. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.